is me and my brother, and we found a whole bunch of lighters on the ground, and we're going to see what happens if we throw it up. And we already, okay. So,
all
throw
right.
it up.
Hold on, I want to get behind the truck for safety.
Okay.
Nothing happened.
Okay, for the first try, nothing happened. Gonna give it back to him.
Maybe if I loosen the lid a little.
No, it's fine. Now, come on, just throw it up, throw it up. It took me this. Okay, still nothing. This is like one of those small lighters, so I already tried it once, and it was a big one. Okay, we got
The one that exploded.
we got another one. This one.
Brothers are the
brothers.
best.
These are the these are the best to use. Okay. So the top part came off, so that's a good thing. So you don't have to squeeze it; you just throw it away. And then you try to throw it up one more time, and it should explode. Okay, that one didn't work, but all the gas got out. My dad. Yeah, and that's my dad, and look, that's what happened. Okay, we're going to try another. And here's my Bible. And now, well, we'll just try to post another video later. And then, we'll just, whatever. Okay, well, see ya. See you next time.